As I mentioned before, here is the system controller and the machine is currently idle. So we have 4 bar graphs here and they're both down at the bottom. Now let me go and start up some horrendous processing task and we'll see what happens. Here we go, as previous. CPU activity graph, except now all 4 processors are fully loaded and the graphs are full. The system is currently rendering the Mandelbrot set, which isn't very exciting, but it's the easy way to peg all CPUs. So if we turn the key to this little wrench, the system will go into, there we go. It will go into the service menu. We can reset the system. Non-mask will interrupt. This will force panic. Don't want to do that. Voltage status. This shows Onyx has a very interesting power supply. There's a 48 volt offline switcher in the back, and then all the option cards have little DC to DC converters on them. So most of these machines by now have all sorts of issues with the power system, and fortunately this one does not. Temperature status, it's a fine spring day, all the windows are wide open. It's only 26 degrees Celsius coming into the system. Fan speed. Every once in a while, the fan will ramp up and make quite a roar. But now it's just chilling there. So go back to the main menu. Event history log. Let's see, no events logged. Okay. There we go, CPU activity. Back to normal. I'm going to show you inside the card cage with the system turned on and irradiate myself, and by that point I'll probably be out of tape. So back in the day, if you had an Onyx system and it broke down, you were never ever allowed to open this. You would call SGI, they would fly out an engineer to your location and fix the problem for you. Enough about that. Here we have the processor board. Some nice lights going up and down. One set of 4 LEDs for each processor. As it is now, they're working fine, so they just show a nice heartbeat pattern. Little red light is on the geometry engine board. And there is a huge fan down there with sharp metal blades spinning at about 1,000 RPM. Don't stick your fingers down there. And that's about it.